Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 5 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you're going to hold your power button. When you see your boot options, simply select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Honor logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up as long as you see the Honor logo. After a moment, it should just disappear. There we go. So once it disappears, you can also let go of your volume up. As you can see, this automatically takes us to the recovery mode, and here you can simply tap on each option that you want to utilize. And that being said, we have only a couple options in here. We have restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which includes factory reset along with wipe cache partition. Then we have update mode and also safe mode. So those are all the options that we actually have here. So I'm gonna select the first one just so I can get back to the Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.